Okay guys, I know what is the first thing that you wish to see. You wish to see proof of earnings. Now this is one of my Teespring stores and here you can see I got 14 orders and I actually sold 20 units and I made $103 of pure profit because I only used free method for this sales. Okay, and let me refresh this and here you can see it is still here. Now if you watched one of my previews how to make money with Teespring and print on demand videos, then you know that I keep talking about following trends. Now I personally use BuzzSumo to find the latest trends. So when I come here and when I click here on content and then when I click here on content analyzer, here I can search for trends. Now Joe Biden and Donald Trump, they are always hot trend. So for example, when I search here for let's just say Joe Biden, okay, Biden, and when I press here enter and here when I choose past 7 days, past week, here I can see most trending articles on internet, articles that are getting most engagement on internet in past 7 days about Joe Biden. Here you can see those articles, okay? And here you can see engagement on Facebook, on Twitter, on Pinterest, on Reddit, and here you can see total engagement, okay? And based on that, you can actually see what is trending and you can use that as an inspiration for your t-shirt. And you can do exactly the same for Donald Trump in this case. But BuzzSumo is actually paid tools. You have to pay for this tool here. And if you don't have money to pay for that, then you can simply go and find meme pages on Facebook and Instagram. And there you can find trending topics and you can use those topics for inspiration for your t-shirt. So now when you have inspiration and when you have your t-shirt, next thing you need to do, you actually need to go here on ChatGPT. And this is important part of this video. So what you need to do, you need to give a command to ChatGPT to actually give you a catchy title, a clickbait title for your poll. Here you can see in this case, Joe Biden versus Donald Trump poll. Now the reason why we wish a clickbait, because we wish to get as many people to vote on our poll, and you will see in a minute how that will actually make us sales. And here you can see they gave us a catchy title for our poll. The next thing we need to do, we need to make this poll. Now I already prepared that prompt, so let me just copy this and paste that here. And here you can see I actually asked for HTML. That is really important because we need to embed this code here that ChatGPT is creating for us. And you will see in a minute how we will use this HTML code to promote our t-shirts. So let me just pause this video on a minute until ChatGPT finish writing this HTML code, okay? Okay. ChatGPT finished writing this code here, this HTML code. Here you can see they gave you directions how to actually use this. Now you don't really need to read this because I'm going to show you now how you can use this. So what we need to do, we need to actually click here on copy code. And now we need to paste that code here in Notepad, okay? And now what we need to do, we need to simply go on our, for example, Joe Biden t-shirt, and I need to copy link to my Joe Biden t-shirt and I need to paste that here where it says website number 1, okay? And I'm going to replace that with my Joe Biden t-shirt link. And now I need to go back on Donald Trump t-shirt and I need to copy link to that t-shirt as well. And I need to replace with this second website with my link to Donald Trump t-shirt. And now what I need to do, I simply need to copy this HTML code, okay? And if you can embed this code on your own website, that is best option. But I'm guessing that most of you don't have your own website, so what you can do is you can simply use Google Sites. Now here for the title, I can simply say Biden versus Trump, okay? Or something like that, okay? And this is also a nice detail. You can click here on change image, okay? And then click here on select. And here I can actually click on search. And here I can search Biden versus Trump, okay? And press enter. And here you can see t-shirts, images, free images that you can actually use. So let's say, for example, I wish to use this first image. I will simply click here and then click here on select. And as you can see, they automatically added this image here in the background of my header. So next thing I need to do, I simply need to click here, and then I need to click here on embed, okay? And I need to copy this code here, and I need to click here on embed code, paste that here, click here on next. Here you can see how that actually looks. Click here on insert, and here you can see how my poll actually looks. So when I click here on preview, you can see how this looks. And when I vote, for example, let's just say I will vote for Donald Trump. And when I click here on vote, it will automatically redirect me to my Donald Trump t-shirt, as you can see here. Okay, so all I have to do now is I just need to click here in upper right corner on publish. I need to publish this website here, this Google one-page website, and then I just need to start driving traffic. Okay, so let me just click here and publish. Let's just say Biden versus Trump, okay, to see is that available. Okay, it is not available. I'll just add 1, 2, 3 to see. Okay, that is available. Just click here on publish, and that's it. I published this, and when I click here on view, I can actually see my website. So what I need to do next, I need to go, for example, on related Facebook groups. And when I search for Trump groups, here you can see there is lots of Trump related groups. So for example, Trump Daily Report. When I click here to open this group, here you can see that this group actually has 130,000 members, and it has a good activity. People are active in this group. So what you can do is you can simply say something like this, okay? You can say something like this. So just click here, and you can say, hi guys, I'm doing a survey on Joe Biden versus Donald Trump. Can you help me and vote on this poll? And then simply go back here on Google Sites, copy the link to your Google site, and you can paste that here. And here you can see, and then just click here on post, and you will post this in this Facebook group. And all you have to do after that, just go back here and do exactly the same thing in all of these other groups. But this is a tip for you. Do not share this poll at the same time in all of these groups. Share this poll in one group per day. Also, what you can do is you can go on Reddit as well. And here when I search, for example, Trump, okay? Here you can see Trump, 94,000 members. So when I click here to open this Reddit community, like I said, here you can see 94,000 members. There is currently 160 people on this subreddit here, which means this subreddit is getting lots of traffic. And like I said, all you have to do is just share your poll here. And when people go and vote on this poll, if they vote for Joe Biden, it will redirect them on your Joe Biden t-shirt. If they vote for Donald Trump, it will automatically redirect them on your Donald Trump t-shirt. And you can simply go back here and you can search for Joe Biden as well. Okay? Biden, here you can see there is also Joe Biden related subreddits where you can promote your t-shirts. And you can not just promote it on Reddit and Facebook, you can also promote it on TikTok, on Instagram, on Twitter, on Tumblr. You can promote it on Pinterest, you can promote it on related forums, wherever you can. Just all you have to do is just drive as much traffic as you can to your page. And trust me guys, people will vote because this is a catchy title, and they will be automatically redirected and they will start buying your t-shirt. It doesn't have to be Biden versus Trump. You can do any niche that you want. And trust me guys, you will start making money with Teespring and print on demand. That's it for today guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.